Hello, I'm Pradeep Khosla, Chancellor of UC San Diego. Not long ago, we developed UC San Diego's first ever strategic plan that sharpened our vision as a student-centered, research-focused, service-oriented public university. Today, I'm proud to announce a new interdisciplinary effort that will advance our work in this area, the UC San Diego Microbiome Initiative. With this bold new research project, we will further our understanding of the communities of bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms that live on our bodies and everywhere around us. And we will find new ways to manipulate the microbiomes for the benefit of human and environmental health. We at UC San Diego are uniquely positioned to meet this challenge. The UC San Diego Microbiome Initiative will draw from our expertise in our School of Medicine, Jacobs School of Engineering, Division of Biological Sciences, SCAC School of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences, Scripps Oceanography, the Rady School of Management, and the UC San Diego Health System, and many, many other disciplines. Two outstanding faculty members will lead this initiative. Dr. Rob Knight, who's a pioneer in the microbiome field, and Dr. Kit Pogliano, a microbiologist and a leader in our Division of Biological Sciences. They will unite and leverage UC San Diego's expertise and resources across a campus-wide effort to advance our microbiome research and create educational opportunities for our students. We are excited about this new initiative, and we know it will transform lives.
What's really amazing about microbes is that they make up the vast majority of the cells and the genetic diversity on Earth. They control us in ways that we don't even yet understand. And this initiative will help us understand how they control our immune system, how they might control how our brains work, and allow us to harness that to benefit humankind and to really help protect the planet and have better agriculture.
There's so much excitement about the microbiome at the moment, in part because it's almost like we discovered a missing organ that weighs about as much as your brain, just about 3 pounds of material. But your microbiome contains more cells, more connections, and arguably more complexity than your brain itself. So you and the person you're sitting next to are 99.99% the same in terms of your human DNA sequence, but you can be 90% different in terms of the microbes in your gut. And so there's been so much money invested in looking at these tiny genetic differences in the human genome in terms of our response to diet, in terms of our response to exercise, to different drugs, to our risk of disease. The microbiome in your gut alone has been linked to all kinds of conditions you might have suspected, like inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, conditions that might be a bit more surprising, like atherosclerosis, colon cancer, cirrhosis, and then things that are really surprising, for example, rheumatoid arthritis. What if we could tell if the microbes in your gut were going to make you obese and modify those microbes before it happened? What if the microbes in your gut could predict how you were going to respond to medication for depression and be able to choose the right combination of drugs and therapy that was going to work for you individually? In mouse models, the microbiome in the gut has even been linked to the brain, so traits like how anxious you are, how outgoing you are, even how depressed you are, and whether you have autism, at least if you're a mouse, depend on those tiny microbes in your gut. And we're trying to find out if this is true for humans as well.
So this new initiative is composed of two parts. The first is a Microbiome Innovation Center that Rob will lead that will allow people to add a microbiome component to their research. And the second is a graduate research initiative that will be broader based and that will support people that can contribute to a mechanistic understanding of the microbiome and microbial cells. I think that a graduate student should want to be in this program because they will have access to people studying or interested in microbial cells or microbial communities from a variety of different disciplines. They'll have access to really cutting-edge technology in Rob's lab and in a number of our other faculty's labs to allow them to really have a major impact on science and drive the science to a whole new level.
What we hope to achieve with the Microbiome Initiative is to map the microbes that exist across our bodies and across our planet, to understand the fundamental principles that govern these complex microbial communities, and to be able to change those communities to address some of the most important problems facing humanity today. The Microbiome Initiative is going to foster interdisciplinary research in a truly different way. For example, studying the microbes in the lung of a cystic fibrosis patient and their chemical interactions requires everything from surgery to pediatrics to chemistry to molecular biology to ecology. And bringing all those disciplines together and combining them with excellence in computer science and excellence in networking to transfer all the data around is a truly difficult challenge, but one that we can address uniquely here at UC San Diego.